Hello and welcome to another video review, this time about the new thermal monocular from Part, the Leopard 640 with the integrated laser rangefinder and 35mm objective lens. Part is a Chinese company which started the research in optoelectronics way back in 2010, and in 2017 the official trademark Part was registered and a night vision clip-on was introduced to the market, which was immediately highly popular because of the decent optical performance for a very affordable price. Since then, Part has expanded its product range into all categories, and in recent years they put a lot of effort also in thermal imaging products. Part Leopard devices were introduced this year, so 2024, at the EVA fair in Germany, and these are currently the best thermal monoculars from Part. All in all, we have 6 different models available. They come either with 480 by 360 pixels sensor or the better model with 640 by 512 pixels. The smaller resolution models are available with 25 or 35 millimeters lens, and the bigger or the better resolution device is available only with 35 millimeters lens for now. Both are available with or without the laser rangefinder, so all in all 6 different models. Ergonomics, as you can probably see, are great. It is a very slim device, especially in this part here. If we take the device without a laser rangefinder, it is a very compact and very slim device. Of course, the laser rangefinder adds a little bit of the width dimension, but it is still very compact and very nice to use because it fits so perfectly into the hands. The button position is also great. You can very easily operate all of the 4 buttons on top. And I have to say, the buttons have a lot of functions, which is, especially at the beginning, when you start using the device, quite difficult to remember what every button does, because you can have quick click on the button, you can hold, then it has a different mode, and then you have also double clicks also. So all in all, a lot of functions on these 4 buttons on top. Now the housing is made from durable aluminum alloy and composite housing, and the buttons are made from hard rubber. I have to say, the buttons feel very nice and have a very high quality feeling. The entire housing has a IP67 protection rating, so it is completely dust and also waterproof, up to 1 meters of depth for at least 30 minutes. Ocular is made from a very soft rubber, which is also very comfortable to use, and it seals very nicely off, so you get no external light when you observe through the device, and of course you also the light does also not shine out if you use the device during the night. The diopter adjustment can be adjusted like this, so you just have to rotate, and it is also made from aluminum, and it has a rough surface for good grip, and it is also stiff to adjust, which is also very nice, so you cannot accidentally change your adjustment when you carry the device around. Then on top, as I said, we have the 4 buttons to operate the device. On the left side we have the button for the battery compartment. Here we have the on and off button, and also under this rubber we have a compartment for the micro SD card, which is designed for internal for the storage if you want to make videos and photos. Then a USB-C Type-C connection for a wired connection if you want to connect it to a external device, or to plug in and to charge the battery. And additionally we have also a HDMI output if you want to connect also to other devices. On the right side we have only this carrying strap, which is also quite nice to use, and also on this model we have the laser rangefinder here. If you choose the model without the laser rangefinder, you can then this part is not on the device, and of course the device gets a lot more slim and very easy to carry around in a pocket. Now on the front we have here the focusing ring, so you can focus on objects at different distances. And lastly, the objective cover, which is made from hard rubber, and the 35mm objective lens. The entire device has a temperature range or operating temperature range from -30 degrees Celsius up to 55 degrees Celsius, and the size of it is 169 millimeters long. It is 58 millimeters wide and 48 millimeters high. So as you can see, even with the laser rangefinder, it is still a very compact device. What is also special about it is the low weight, which comes with only 360 grams with the battery included, which is just 10 grams heavier than the new Pulsar compact devices, also with a 35mm objective lens. But this device additionally comes with a laser rangefinder, so it is a very good achievement in my opinion. The MSRP of this device is approximately 2,300 euros, and the device without a laser rangefinder is 2,000 euros. The startup time is very fast, which is approximately 6 seconds, and the device can also be connected to a smartphone with the Part Vision 2 app with Wi-Fi, and of course with the USB Type-C cable, and also additionally with the micro HDMI port here on the side. The device is completely made in China in their own manufacturing facility, and it comes with a 3 years warranty. And a nice thing is also that the service department is also in the EU, so if something happens you don't have to wait long for the repairs. So yeah, they are very quickly if something goes wrong. Now the battery, it features one standard interchangeable 18650 type battery with the capacity of 3200 milliamps. And to open the battery compartment you just have to push this button here, then the battery compartment opens, and with this strap you can take out the battery like this. And as you can see, Part has their own batteries with 3200 milliamp hours of capacity. The batteries can be charged directly through the device with the USB Type-C port, and the battery life with the full charge is approximately 6 hours, of course in best conditions, so not in a very cold environment. If it gets cold, of course it is less than 6 hours. But in my opinion, for one single battery it is still quite a lot, and because they are so small and very lightweight, it is not a problem to carry 2 or 3 additional batteries with you if you go out for a longer hunt. What I don't like is that no charging adapter is included in the box, so you only get this cable, so you have to use your charging adapter from your smartphone or some other device. Additional batteries are also not expensive, and are also widely available in many shops, so you can very easily get additional batteries almost everywhere. The device features a power indicator, and also in the display you can also see the level, how much or how long you still can use the device. On top we have a green LED or also red LED. When you charge, the LED also flashes, so you know the battery is still not full. The device features also a sleep mode, so if you don't use the device, you can enter the sleep mode with just a click of this button, and then the display turns off to save the battery life. With that you can extend the battery even more than 6 hours. Now the sensor in this device is an uncooled Vox sensor with a resolution of 640 by 512 pixels, and the pixel pitch is 12 microns with a refresh rate of 50 Hz. The NETD is less than 20 millikelvins, which is very good, and because of that you can see a lot of details when you observe your objects. Device features a mechanical shutter to calibrate the sensor, but in settings you can also adjust if you have an automatic shutter or shutterless. And with the shutterless mode, I didn't even notice when this device was calibrating. It's very fast, and I think it's also made with the software directly. The range of detection is 1800 meters. The display inside of the device is a HD AMOLED type display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and of course you can make also videos and photos with the device, but the device has no internal storage, and that's why you have here micro SD card slot, so you have to purchase additional micro SD, and because with this you enable the storage to make the videos and photos. I think this is a downside in my opinion for such a device, because I think almost every other device on the market has it. It is not that expensive if you purchase an additional micro SD, but still it is not included, which is not the best solution in my opinion. At least part could get or include a micro SD card with the device, which it would be, in my opinion, a good solution. The resolution of photos when you make with this device is 1440 pixels by 1080 pixels, and And the same is also with videos. The additional features what this device has is the scene mode, where you can adjust between city, rain and forest, and for that, if we change that, you can get the best possible image quality in different scenarios. Then additionally, on top of that, you have 6 different color modes or palettes available, which are white hot, black hot, edge, red hot, iron hot and also sky. The device itself is very nice. It is also a quite big display, so it is very comfortable to look through it. And the image is very clear, and you get a very high detail resolution. So all in all, the image quality the device offers is very good if you consider the price. And again, you get a lot of features also. Now for the optical specification, we have a 35mm objective lens with a minimal magnification of 2.2 times, and you have also a 8 times digital zoom, so the magnification goes from 2.2 up to 17.6 times magnification, which is quite a lot. The field of view is at the smallest magnification, of course, 21.8 meters by 17.4 meters at 100 meters, which is also quite a lot, and because of that, it is also perfect to use from short to medium and also to a bit longer ranges. The close focus works from 3 meters upwards, of course, to infinity, and the device can also be used with glasses. The laser rangefinder, the maximal range is up to 1000 meters, and the minimal range it can measure is from 5 meters. The accuracy is plus or minus 1 meter, and with a short press on the measurement button, the device continuously measures the distance until the next press. So when you press the button, the laser rangefinder turns on and you get the measurements constantly, approximately every 1 to 2 seconds. This is really nice, but the battery drains quite fast if you forget the laser rangefinder on. So I think in additional settings it would be really nice if you could somehow adjust the laser rangefinder should work only for 5, 10, 15 seconds and then turns off. I think this would be a great solution, which part for now does not offer. The speed of the measurement is, as I said, every second, except for longer ranges, let's say 600 meters upwards. The speed gets a little bit slower, except you measure some bigger objects with great reflections, then it is still approximately 1 second. The device does not feature the equivalent horizontal range measurements. You get in the device, you can see the inclination upwards or downwards, but it does not calculate the measurement directly for a perfect shot placement, let's say in a mountain. The buttons, as I previously said, the button placement is great. It is very comfortable to use, but as I also said, the buttons have a lot of features or a lot of functions, which is, especially at the beginning when you start using the device, in my opinion, too much. If you consider also older users, I don't think they can use all of the function, or it is also too much. The menu itself is very easy to use, but I also miss a few setting adjustments, like I set additional settings for the laser rangefinder, how long it should measure, and or you only want one measurement, and so on. Then the Wi-Fi settings, I cannot see the password, or I also cannot change the password, but it is also possible to do this in the mobile app, the PartVision 2 app, when you connect the device. Now, what do you get in the box with the device? First of all, you get this carrying strap for the device, then the charging and data cable, a warranty card, and lastly also a quick start guide in many different languages, which you can see here. Okay, now for a short summary. First of all, the positives. And the best thing about this device, in my opinion, is the form factor and the weight. Especially for the non-laser rangefinding model, the form factor is perfect. It fits in almost every pocket, and also because of the very small design, it fits also perfectly in the hand. Then the build quality and design, I really like the design of it, and the build quality is also very high. As I said, the buttons have a high quality. It is made from aluminum alloy. I like it also that the device comes with or without a laser rangefinder, so if you do not need it, you just you have a smaller device and you can also save a few euros. And lastly, the batteries and the battery life of 6 hours. As I said, the batteries are widely available in many electronic shops, and with 6 hours it is also quite a long operating time. Now, where do I see room for improvements? First of all, the price, with 2,000 euros without a laser rangefinder and 2,300 euros with the laser rangefinder. I think this device competes directly with the Pulsar Axion Compact XG35. So I think a bit lower price, in my opinion, would be more competitive. The second thing is the buttons, as I already said, with so many functions. And the last thing is that that part does not include storage, so a micro SD card, and also no charging adapter, so you have to use your adapter from your smartphone or other device, which I really don't like. I think this is so inexpensive for part that I could easily include these two things in the packaging. Okay, I hope I covered everything about the new part Leopard 640 and that you found this video review useful. If you have any additional questions, click the link below, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.